Previously we've seen people try to deploy this technology where they sort of parachute in and collect an individual sample. And, every sample is going to look different. When you look at hundreds of different microbes, you're always going to see things that look a little odd. And you're sort of stuck going, what do I do with that? One of the key principles behind what Barnwell is trying to do is deploy the technology usually in sort of a continuous way. So you sample week after week in a barn. And why that makes a difference is because those regular samples are setting kind of a baseline pattern. And every barn is a little bit different in terms of what the sort of background litter microbiome looks like. And so what you want to do is you want to start to capture that background and then look for deviations. And one of the most recent features that we rolled out is alert levels, which are based on this, where we're taking our large catalog of previous samples we've collected, probably one of the largest in the world so far, and we're able to sort of baseline all of our samples against that historical data. And then we look for and we alert customers when we see a pathogen that's, two standard deviations or three standard deviations above what a typical healthy barn looks like. And that's a powerful way to say, okay, there's a lot of things going on, but the things you really care about are these things that are alerting. And those are the things that you should, take action on or at least be monitoring very closely.